This video was taken last month. I just did some stretching and running. It wasn't even an intensive workout. Tamang harot lang sa daan. Takbote, takbo! Pagkatapos yun na yun, nag-decide na akong mag-hiking. Nagbayad lang ako ng 100,000 Vietnam dong. And then I drove my motorbike going to Lapding. Napakaganda ng paligid, ang sarap magpaka-pretty-pretty. Hanggang sa umakyat na kami at halos mamatay-matay na ako pero nakakapag-picture pa rin sila ng pretty. Paano ba yun? Ay, bawi na lang sa view yung pabuhat. Life choice. I felt betrayed. How many ups left? He just said it's the last one. Yes, hashtag reklamador. In fairness kahit new hiker ako, ready ako. Nag-share pa kami ni Kuyang Vietnamese ng tubig. Magkasama sa hirap at ginhawa. Ay, pagod na ako. Sobra. Pero, I think I like the experience. At least this year I have first. Inabot na kami ng alas 8 sa daan pero natapos naman namin yung trail. Yay!